Hi, I'm Staci from Inflationproofing. In this video, we're going to cover how you can inflation-proof your investments along with some funds worth considering in this space. To learn more about the different types of inflation, be sure to watch our last video, 5 different types of inflation and what it means for your wallet, using the link below. Now, how to inflation-proof your investments. Because the income paid by bonds and better cash savings accounts is usually fixed at the time they're issued, higher rising inflation poses a problem because it erodes the real return you receive. For example, if your cash savings account is paying you 1% interest, but inflation is 3%, the value of your money is quietly being eroded. To mitigate this risk, you could invest in a bond fund or multi-asset fund that pays a high enough yield to provide a cushion and the flexibility to invest in different types of bonds and assets. Invesco Monthly Income Plus or Close Managed Income, for example, although remember the yields on funds can fluctuate. Some companies do better than others in inflationary environments too. Cash generation and pricing power can provide a buffer for a company, enabling it to self-fund its operations and offset rising costs by passing them on to customers. Even at Global Income invests in companies with these characteristics. Infrastructure is another good option for assets as owned by infrastructure funds are often linked to inflation. BT Gravis UK Infrastructure Income is an example. Real assets like gold and property, as well as their related shares, generally do well in periods of higher inflation. Gold especially is commonly used but hard for small investors to hold in any other form than jewelry, so a fund like Marion Gold and Silver is worthy of consideration. When it comes to property, it's imperfect but partial hedge. Many rents in Europe are index-linked, and in the UK, rent reviews are upward only, while any wage inflation could make increases possible. Premier Pan-European Property Shares is a fund that invests in these markets. Want to hear what the fund managers themselves are saying about inflationary pressures? Watch the next video in our series, 4 fund managers comment on inflationary pressures in July 2020. And for more information, visit our website, fundcaliber.com, and don't forget to subscribe.